This video features a GC-2030, but the process is nearly the same for other GC models. For this procedure, you will need 2 G-plugs for the purge and split vents, 10mm wrench, blanked ferrule. Note, the ferrule type will be determined by the system setup, ClickTech or standard. Before starting the leak check, verify that a septum, liner, and O-ring are properly installed and that the septum and liner nuts are appropriately tightened. The GC must be cooled. All temperature zones should be close to room temperature. If the GC is powered on, locate the power switch on the right side of the instrument and turn it off. Then, restart the GC in service mode by holding down the stop and the prep run keys on the control panel. From the main menu, select GC Start Stop Sequence and ensure the Start Temp Detect setting is set to Disable. Begin the start sequence by pressing Start GC. This process is used to quickly and easily disable the temperature control across all heat zones. Verify that the appropriate carrier gas, in this case helium, is being supplied with a pressure between 650 and 750 kilopascals on the automatic flow controller matching the SPL inlet being tested. Shut off the regulators to all other gases not being used for the SPL being tested, such as detector gases or separate carrier gas lines. Now you need to set the line configuration for the device being tested. From the home screen on the front panel of the GC, select Settings, Submenu, Line Configuration. Deselect all devices that are not being tested. In this configuration, only SPL1 should be checked. Return to the home screen. Select GC Start Stop Sequence and ensure that the Start Temp Detect is set to Enable. From the home screen, select Monitor, then Temp Monitor, and set the temperature of the SPL and the oven to 35 degrees Celsius. Allow the SPL and oven to reach 35 degrees Celsius before continuing. Now set the column dimensions for testing. From the home screen, select Column, then Column Info, and change the ID to 0.25, the length to 15.0, and the film thickness to 0.25. To set the inlet parameters, from the home screen, select Injection Port and turn off the carrier gas flow. Set the flow control mode to Pressure, the injection mode to Split, the pressure to 100 kPa or 14.5 psi, and the total flow to 50 milliliters per minute. If a column is currently installed, remove the column. Using a ClickTech or standard blank ferrule, plug the injection port being tested. Return to the injection port settings screen and turn on the gas flow. Allow the carrier gas to purge the system through the purge and split vents on the back of the GC for at least 1 minute. With the gas flow still on, plug the purge and split vents with plugs. On the injection port settings screen, set the inlet pressure to 380 kPa or 55 psi. Once the pressure reading reaches or exceeds 380 kPa or 55 psi, turn off the gas supply at the regulator or cutoff valve. On the injection port settings screen, set the inlet pressure to 0. Open the split vent cap on the back of the GC slightly to lower the pressure to between 350 and 380 kPa, 50 and 55 psi. Allow the pressure to stabilize and record the pressure value. Monitor the pressure for 1 hour. The pressure reading should not drop more than 2 kPa or 0.3 psi per hour. If the pressure does drop more than that, there is a leak in the SPL inlet. Note that the pressure reading is temperature dependent, so it is possible that the pressure may increase over the hour period. If this occurs, repeat the test once the ambient temperature has stabilized. If a leak is detected, verify that all connections are tightened appropriately, repressurize the inlet, and repeat the leak test procedure. If helium or hydrogen is being used as the carrier gas, an electronic leak detector can be used to help identify the source of the leak. Once testing is complete and no leaks are detected, remove the split and purge line plugs and turn off the AFC flow to release the pressure. It is important to not open the injector port while it is pressurized, so the quartz wool remains in the proper position in the glass liner. Remove the ClickTech or standard blank ferrule from the injector port and reinstall the analytical column. Finish the procedure by resetting the column dimensions. From the home screen, select Column, then Column Info, and enter the appropriate values for column ID, length, and film thickness. For more information about Shimadzu GC systems, visit www.ssi.shimadzu.com.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.